Well, I'm Elizabeth Hora. I'm public archaeologist from Utah's Division of State History, and we're here today doing a little bit of archaeological reconnaissance work on this small spur of the Denver and Rio Grande Railroad.
I was working in the video game industry, and I had an interest in archaeology. I started studying about using drones for archaeology, and I got so excited about it that I quit my job and went back to school. So I'm currently an FAA certified drone pilot and an archaeology student. And I do a visual inspection, make sure there's no cracks or visual damage. I'm going to make a 3D model of this railroad trestle, so I'm going to fly a couple of grid patterns, take several dozen pictures that I can use, put together later to make a 3D model. So right now I'm just making sure the drone's flying stable, making sure I'm not above anybody's head, that I have a good altitude, making sure that I have good clearance with trees and power lines and anything that might be obstacles.
Remember, when getting to the site, stay on the trail. Use GPS and know your path. Get permission to be on private land, respect all signs and barriers, and dress for the trip.
Drones are an exciting and powerful tool for archaeological survey and cultural resource management.
I mean, you could just tell by the color of the two kinds of wood there. We've got the trestle parts down below that are much older. They might be original to the 1899 railroad. No, it's invaluable. And this would take me a day with a tape measure and a compass, and it wouldn't be nearly as good. This is beautiful data. Thank you again.
We take hundreds or thousands of pictures, and then we have software that stitches them together into these really high-resolution maps. And the software will extract 3D information so we can build 3D models, we can make digital elevation models of the sites.
It's important for archaeologists to use licensed drone pilots when recording these sensitive archaeological sites.
The FAA has a certification called Part 107 for professional pilots. That is different from a hobbyist license in that you have to pass an examination that's similar to a manned pilot examination, but it gives you the ability to fly in ways and places that a hobbyist can't.
Always keep your drone in your sightline. Check your equipment before each flight, have a flight plan, and stick to it. Stay aware of surrounding areas, and avoid wildlife and other people.
Responsible flying helps educate yourself to avoid sensitive areas.
I'm Kellen. I fly, I bike, I hike, and I tread lightly.
I'm Elizabeth. I hike, I paddleboard, I do archaeology, and I tread lightly.